All right, so first drive in the 2001 ACR, just picked it up from Loudoun County Exotics. Now finally needs to get clean. As you can see, it is not very clean, but we're gonna take it to American Shine. Let's start it up. And first thoughts are this pedal box is really, really small, but I'm really excited to drive, so let's go. The pedals definitely are a lot more loose and not as tight, so it's a little tricky to kind of, you know, figure it out or be used to it, because I definitely feel like I'm driving a Viper right now. There's no question about it. Transmission's pretty good. I mean, the shifting feels good. I mean, I definitely get the hype there. Pretty excited to get on it a little bit. So these shocks just got rebuilt, and then they did a bunch of other, you know, regular maintenance like brake fluid flush. The AC works now. It actually feels really good. One of the problems on these is the O-rings, and they always go bad, which causes a leak. But now it's running great, and it sounds really, really good. It definitely sounds and feels a lot more raw than the 5th gen. Like, I love the 5th gen. That's probably the only car I'll never sell. But this thing is like already, even just from going like 10 miles an hour, already like so much fun. I mean, this is just crazy. Like, they say never meet your heroes, but I'm not gonna lie, so far this is pretty fucking awesome. It's kind of ironic that we are driving a 2001 Viper and our camera car is an all-electric Rivian. All right, it's time for Brian with American Shine to scrutinize my car and tell me how much money I have to spend on it. So let's check it out.
I'm seeing, you know, some light swirl marks and things up here. Some of the panels that have been worked on, they're not as severe as...
Yeah. So we had a little bit of paint work done to this. It was old, had some scrapes underneath and a little bit of stuff here and there, like nothing crazy, just, you know, regular wear and tear, rock chips, all that stuff.
Hood looks pretty good. You know, like I said, we don't really need to go quite as aggressive here because it's gonna be getting film. It's gonna hide any of the marks. Obviously, we're gonna polish it. Yeah, I mean, overall, from what I can see here, it looks really good.
Yeah, I see some swirls on the door and like that area, but it isn't bad. I mean, there is some on the hood right here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and obviously like the rockers were just done, so there's not gonna be a whole lot. Areas like this that are piano black, we definitely want to put PPF on that. The self-healing clear coat on the PPF does a really nice job of preventing those marks from coming back. So you just do it once, you don't have to look at it again, and that's that.
We've already gone over, we've already looked at the car, and I'll walk you guys through really quickly kind of just what we found and give you an idea of what our process is going to be to get us to our end result. It's not a brand new car, and there's going to be things here and there that are going to need special attention. We're going to go through, we're going to do a 2-step paint correction on the car. The front end and the rocker panels are going to be getting PPF, so that will have PPF on there. The rest of the car, we're going to really dial in the paint really meticulously and compound it, polish it so that swirl marks, scratches, water spotting, any kind of defects like that that are really just detracting from the paint's ability to reflect light at you. We're gonna go through, we're gonna take care of all of that and just get everything looking like a mirror shine before we lock it in with all of our top level ceramic coatings. So the paint, the PPF will get a coating. The wheels, Alex, the wheels are coming off right too. I think I just called you Alex. Alec.
You said that in the beginning too.
Did I? Thanks, Alex. All right, so definitely gonna get the car up on the lift. We're gonna address the wheels here. Super low miles, but again, everything here is 25 years old. You see a ton of brake dust. There's a lot of old wheel weight adhesive in there as well. So we wanna pull the wheels and just really thoroughly deep clean them. We really wanna ensure that when we put a ceramic coating on it, that it's gonna adhere to the surface. So certain prep steps, they just have to be taken in order for that to really happen. But we'll do the wheel wells, we'll dial in all the suspension stuff, what kind of while we're in there, get everything really clean. And then on the interior of the car, again, you've got 25 years of dust. We'll definitely hit all the carpeting, we'll hit the seats, clean them, condition them. Obviously everybody wants their car to look great from the outside, but in all reality, when you're driving a car, obviously you're in the inside, so we really want to elevate that experience for him as well. And if you look at these on any car, they're always scratched, they're always swirled up. So we're gonna do some PPF on here, and the self-healing layer on that PPF is really going to just prevent that from happening. So once you get that film on there, you never have to worry about looking at those marks again. Let's crack that engine bay open, and I think it was through the front, down in the grill, and then there's one down there. And And yeah, I think you just need to grab your end here. Oh yeah. All this dirt, this debris, there's leaves, pine needles and things in here. We'll go through, we'll get all that cleaned out, pressure washed. Anything that looks like textured black plastic, we'll go through, we'll dress all that stuff up and just kind of increase how dark and rich that it looks. So it'll be a big improvement in the engine bay as well.